Wall tiles. What else are you going to use to make your walls look nice? Main Street was nice enough to send me some for me to check out. This is the box it came in, so we'll open it up and see what it looks like. So inside it looks like we have basically just the wall tiles, and that's about it. So these are peel and stick ones, it looks like. So like really high quality stickers almost. And there's instructions on the back. I know I need that. And let me count how many there are. 24, I think. So it's a nice metallic reflective gray. Looks pretty good, I think. Feels pretty good as well. These are 8 by 8 inches, and I don't know how much 24 of them would cover, but if you need a good many, then this is a good route to try out. This might be dumb, but there's a couple against the wall. I live at my parents' house, so I don't know if they want me just sticking stuff on their walls and if they want it somewhere else, or if they even want new tiles at all. Anyways, I like these. Simple, nice and easy to use. Maybe if you're more craftsy, you can get them to look a little more lined up and square. Leveled is a good word. Anyway, thanks again to Main Street for sending me these. I recommend you go look at what they have to offer because they have different designs than just these, and I've liked these, and I imagine the other ones they have are just as good.